Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. Looking for a clean Ford Edge? This might be the one, just like brand new. This is the 2019 Edge. Stock number is 7452. Let's give you that virtual video walk-around, show you all aspects of this vehicle, up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the power rear door. If you're putting groceries in or luggage, easy access there. Nice good shot of the interior. Making our way out. Down the driver's side, we're going to show you the driver's side rear interior here. Look at all the legroom coming up. Look at that. Nice and comfortable. This vehicle comes with oil changes for life at no extra cost to you. You can just get more at Sunset Ford. And putting you in the driver's seat, take notice of, oh, it smells brand spanking new with just over 13,000 miles. Easy access to all the controls within arm's length, as you can see right here. So for more information on this Edge or any other vehicles in our inventory, give us a call, email us, or just give us a text. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. Thanks for taking a look. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.